Learn English grammar. Lesson 1, Types of words and word order. A noun. In English, a noun can be singular, for example, world, or plural, for example, computers, people. Examples of nouns are man, girl, people, fox, animals, computer, letter, language, things, world, places, success, qualities. A pronoun. A pronoun can replace a noun. Examples of pronouns are I, me, you, she, him, it, we, them. An adjective. An adjective describes a noun. Examples of adjectives are quick, brown, first, different, good. Adjectives usually come before the noun. For example, a first language. Not a language first. Adjectives have no plural form. For example, different languages, not different languages. A verb. A verb can refer to the past, present or future actions or states. Example of verbs are speak, jump, actions, be, like, states. An adverb. An adverb can describe a verb, an adjective or a whole sentence. Examples of adverbs are carefully, slowly, these are adverbs that describe a verb. Very, extremely, these are adverbs that describe adjectives. However, sometimes, luckily, adverbs that describe sentences. Adverbs which describe a verb usually come at the end of a sentence. Example: my brother speaks English quickly. Word order. An English sentence usually contains a subject, s, and a verb, v. He, subject, 1, verb. William, subject, was, verb, the winner. Our team, subject, is playing, verb, in the big stadium. Many sentences contain an object, o. In these sentences the word order is SVO. She, subject, 1, verb, the race, object.